Another breaking story now. Chopper 2 over the scene on Staten Island, where an MTA bus crash happened shortly after 10 this morning on Richmond Terrace near Hamilton Avenue. 12 people suffered minor injuries and had to be taken to area hospitals. One lane is currently closed on Richmond Terrace. An investigation is underway into exactly what happened.
Hello everybody and welcome to Road Review. Today we'll be talking about, well, the video I just showed you. Today is March the 7th, and this morning an MTA bus filled with passengers crashed into the back of a parked dump truck. Here is the video of that happening. This video comes from David, who was parked on the side of the road right by the bus stop where the truck was parked in the construction site where the incident happened.
Put your luggage here. Whoa! Put your luggage.
Let's watch that back one more time in slow motion. Let's load into Google Earth here and find exactly where this is located. If I look up the actual bus stop here, it'll take us to Staten Island. Wait while it zooms in a little bit here and generates the 3D landscape. Here is the exact street corner where the bus and the truck collided. I mean, the bus collided with the truck. The truck was not moving. You can see the bus was moving from the right side of the screen up the roadway there from right to left. And you can see the road is relatively straight, so there should be a pretty good visibility. We're going to move over to normal Google Maps here, and there it is again. That's the bus stop right there that we can see in the video. We're going to take a little street view, man, and go down the street view here and see what the bus was seeing. We can see it's a straight road here with a slight little gradient up ahead. Oh, ignore that. That's just normal cars in New York. Let's look behind us here. There is a right-hand curve. The bus would have gone around just previously to that. Looks like there is a very good amount of visibility here. Not a lot of overgrowth. Up there is where the incident happened. The street view is dated pretty recently. There's the bus stop. So we don't expect much changes other than this lot on the right is clearly under construction. You can see, oh, actually there's a bus right behind us on street view. Hopefully it doesn't hit the street view car. Right around this area is where the video filmer was parked with this car. There is the bus stop sign, and the dump truck was parked right about here in the roadway. Nice of him to actually not block the bike lane. And here is the what would be the construction site on the right. So what do you guys think? What do you think happened? I think, honestly, the bus driver is probably on their phone texting, because you can see there is plenty of visibility coming up to that accident scene. It wasn't like the truck was around a blind corner or something. There's a lot of instances of New York City bus drivers being caught distracted while driving. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think happened, guys? We actually have some photos of the aftermath of the crash here. Thank you, Joseph, for these photos. These are from online news article. We can see here, this is the bus as it lies immediately after the fact of the crash here. Windshield removed, most likely by the firefighters who responded to this. So the footage or video, we can see fluids leaking from the bus, most likely from the engine and stuff. Heavy damage to the front right side of the bus as it hit the back of the dump truck there. You can see the dump truck suffering some damage to its rear axle. Here is, looks like probably the MTA tow truck driver trying to turn the steering wheel. The steering wheel is bent. I find that odd. The steering wheel managed to actually bend from the crash. Turning the steering wheel probably to load up the bus onto a wrecker. Here's some more debris from that area of the bus that was struck. If we actually look here, which is kind of interesting, the display in the top that tells you the routes and stuff, the route that it was on is actually the route of that sign we just saw previously. So this bus was currently active on the route, thus why there were passengers inside the bus, reportedly 12 injured. And here's a wider angle. Yeah, that's the MTA traffic unit. They come out and investigate, or I think it's traffic unit. They come out and they investigate, you know, traffic crashes, stuff like that. So there's just some additional images of the crash. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and as always, stay safe out there. It's been another episode of Road Review.